Hello guys, got a 2015 BMW 528i. X Drive. This is an all-wheel drive version, and today we are going to show you how you replace an alternator. So guys, when I work on cars, I like to have room. I don't like to say, oh, you know what, I might be able to get this alternator without moving this out of the way. Or, well, if it's something simple that you can get rid of and move out of the way quick, why not just get it out of the way? You'll have more room. You'll accomplish the job, I think, faster. I don't always take it as just because I want to remove more things, that means it's going to take me longer. No, not necessarily. In a lot of cases, actually, in a lot of my cases, sometimes when I think this is on the way, I just remove it because it's going to save me time later when I try to pull something that's underneath it, underneath the whatever part that I removed. So in this case, okay, I look at the alternator and okay, based on the visual look here, it looks like I might be able to get it out without removing the airbox. But you know what? If I have to remove the airbox, fine, it's not a big deal. Just remove this, unscrew this clamp, get it done. It's not a big deal. Same thing with this. Just go ahead and pinch this plastic, move this hose, unhook this, do the same thing with this hose, get it out of the way. Okay, and now, by the way, I did disconnect the battery just so you guys know, and the battery for this vehicle is located in the trunk. You need to remove those two size 10 nuts and get to the battery right there. So this negative is disconnected, so just wanted to let you know. That's the first thing we need to do. Back to this. Looking at this here. Alright, so should be fairly easy to remove as well. Okay, there you go. Unplug that. Just set it this way. Looks like this is size 13, I believe. Let's see, either 12 or 13. Yep, this size 13. And an extension, and I'm gonna get my impact gun. Let's make things a little faster. Wow, okay. I'm gonna have to put the phone down for a sec here. Yep, you guys can still see here. Okay, there you go. Now let's use my gun. There we go, just put this out of the way. Now we need to remove the Serpentine belt that is, I believe, size 16, and we need to put the socket on right there. See if I can zoom in. Right there. That's it. Okay, so I hooked up my size 16 socket with a small extension and a long ratchet, and we need to remove the Serpentine belt. So we need to push this way here to the left of the vehicle to be able to see that belt is coming loose, and just see if I can get some lights for you. As you can see, one sec. Yeah, this belt right here is becoming loose. Let's see here, just one sec. Trying to get a nice shot right there. We are just going to unhook it from the alternator, just like we just did. Just leave this, and then looks like there's 1, 2, at least I see 2 Torx, and they are located. So we need to just pinch this and pull it up, but I know it's there you go. And then there is a clamp here that's using flat screwdriver to remove. Let's go ahead and loosen this up a little bit. Okay, and there's one side, 2, and there's 3, and I think that's it. Let's pull this box out. There you go. And let's see if we can remove this whole thing. Okay, I think we need to remove this right here. One sec. So this is gonna be size 16. All right. Let's do the same thing. Let's just try this impact gun first and see if we can get it out. Probably not. Oh wow, I'm impressed. Okay. We set this bolt right here for now. What? Are you kidding me? Wow, interesting. This size is 16. And this size is 15. Are you kidding me? I was like, really? Okay, let me just go ahead and grab 15. Don't ask me, I don't know why, but it is what it is. Actually, this one is a little longer too, so. Okay, we'll just set these right here. Put that right there. Remove this airbox. Now look at this. We have a lot of more room to work with. And look at bolts and screws and everything that we need to look at. So, I'm going to actually remove this bolt out of the way for now. And see what size I need for my alternator. Let's go ahead and look at the new one just to make sure that we got the right part. And for this model, guys, the reason why I wanted to show you this box before we install it is because we wanted to make sure this is the 210 volt for this vehicle. We don't want to do the 170. 210 was installed, and we prefer to go with what the manufacturer is recommending. These are all right. So it looks like just what I said. There is two of them right there. This alternator goes like that. Just like that. Oh, let's just see one thing. Yeah, just like that. Actually, that second bolt is right behind that pulley. I don't know how hard that's gonna be to take this one out, but it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be a little interesting. So let me go ahead and remove the top one first, and I'll worry about the second one in a minute. So guys, with an extension, 3/8 extension, and size E12, and that's what this looks like. Move this out of the way. And there you go. me just do this quick with my cordless ratchet. And one thing I was going to show you, I removed the first two on the top. I didn't have to remove the third one. I just loosened that third one up a little bit. And once that's loosed out, once that is loosened, you can just drop down that pulley, and then you can get to that screw. So you don't have to remove the third one. I can see that bolt right there that needs to be removed. So I'm gonna have to remove that. And we're just gonna have to switch back to the E14. Take that back, guys. Remember I told you that you didn't have to remove this pulley? Well, see, I can't get this knot off. It's kind of hitting that edge with that pulley, see? I can't get it out. So, again, remember I told you about just remove a part if it's bothering you and it's on your way. Don't spend a lot of time trying to fight this. One more bolt for the pulley, just get it removed. It's not a big deal. That tensioner pulley, go ahead and remove that, and we'll get that knot off for the alternator. Okay, so we removed the last nut for that alternator, and now all you have to do is just pull it out from here, and just move this out of the way here, and move this kind of like out of the way, and all we have to do is just pull this out. May have to wiggle this a little bit to be able to pull it out, but right there. There you go. Oh, oy. We got the new one here. Guys, this is what all I wanted to show you. So these three were used. I believe those can also use size 8 or E10. These ones were for the tensioner, the pulley, and then this long one was for the bottom that goes here for the alternator, right here, and this one was for the top. That's all I wanted to show you guys. I see oil leak as well. Well, we'll worry about this later on. That's all I wanted to show you guys for now, and thanks for watching, and have a good one. Hey guys, I just figured I would show you what the new alternator looks like, the aftermath, or after we're done. That's the new alternator installed. Should be good to go. And basically, all we had to do is just went through reverse order. What we have removed, just do reverse order, and that should be it. Pretty easy. If I can do it, you can. Thanks. See you with another video.